Good morning, students. Today we shall read chapter 5 from supplementary The Happy Prince. Okay, this is written by Oscar Wilde. Okay, so we should start now. Understood? See there, high above the city on a tall column stood the statue of the Happy Prince. Means there was a statue of a happy prince who was established at the top of the column in the city. Okay, he was gilded all over with thin leaves of the gold, and his body was covered with the thin leaves of gold. Okay, for eyes he had two bright sapphires, and the eyes were made of sapphires, and a large red ruby gilded on his sword hilt, and the sword hilt was made up of ruby. Okay, means these are the three costly materials that was used to make the statue of the Happy Prince. Understood? See, one night there flew over the city a little swallow. His friend had gone away to Egypt 6 weeks before, but he had stayed behind. Then he decided to go to Egypt too. Means one night there flew over the city a little swallow. A little swallow flew over the city, okay, because his friends had already gone to Egypt before 6 weeks. Okay, he was lived before, so that he was also want to go there. Okay, all day long he flew, and at night time he arrived at the city. Means all day the bird flew, but he was not able to reach in Egypt. He came in the city where there was the statue of the Happy Prince. Okay, where shall I put up? He said, I hope the town has made preparation. Means he said to himself, the night has came, where shall I take the rest? So he saw around the city. Okay, and he was thinking the night is prepared to sleep. Okay, then he saw the statue on the tall column. The birds saw from there. There was a big statue in the middle of the city. I will put up there, he cried. It is a fine position with this plenty of fresh air. The birds saw and think this is the better place for me to take rest in the night. Okay, so he alighted just between the feet of the Happy Prince. So the bird put himself in the middle of the Happy Prince's feet. Understood? I have a golden bedroom, he said softly to himself as he looked around. Means the bird sat in the middle of the feet of the Happy Prince and said to himself, this is the golden bed, okay, and this is so soft, and he goes to prepare the sleep. But just as he was putting his head under his wing, a large drop of water fell on him. Means at that time the bird tried to sleep in the night. A drop of water fell down on his body. Okay, what a curious thing, he cried. There is not a single cloud in the sky. The stars are quite clear and bright, and yet it is raining. Means the bird saw in the sky there was no cloud. Okay, the stars was shining brightly. Okay, so the bird became very curious from where the drop of the water come down. Then another drop fell. When the bird was thinking about the drop, once again another drop fell on him, okay, what is the use of a statue if it cannot keep the rain off? He said, I must look for a good chimney pot, and he determined to fly away. Means at that time the second drop fell down on his body. He said to himself, if this statue cannot stop a drop of water, it is worthless. So the bird think that I have to go to the different place where I can keep myself better. Okay, so the bird tried to fly away, but before he had opened his wings, a third drop fell. Okay, and he looked up and saw, oh, what did he see? Means when the bird tried to fly away, then the third drop of the water fall on his body. The bird saw upside, and what he saw, okay, he became very strange. Okay, the eyes of the happy prince were filled with tears, and tears were running down his golden cheeks. Means at that time the bird saw the face of happy prince. The eyes was weeping. Means there was too much, the tears was coming from the eyes of the happy prince. It was rolling from the golden cheeks. Okay, his face was so beautiful in the moonlight that the little swallow was filled with pity. Means the happy prince's face was shining beautifully. Okay, so looking this appearance, the bird became pity. Okay, who are you? He said. The bird asked to the happy prince, who are you? I am the happy prince. The prince said, I am happy prince. Why are you weeping then? Asked the swallow. You have quite dressed me. You have quite dressed me. You make me ashamed. You make me wonder. Why you are weeping? Tell me. I want to know. I want to know when I was alive. Then the happy prince was telling, okay, when I was alive and had a human heart, answered the statue. When means the statue answered, means happy prince answered, when I was alive just like a human being, I have a heart also. Okay, I did not know what tears were, for I alive in the palace. Means at that time when I was living in the palace, I don't know what is mean by tear. Means there was worthless, okay, where sorrow is not allowed to enter, and in the palace there was not allowed the sorrow things. Okay, my courtiers called me the happy prince, and happy indeed I was. That's why my courtiers called me the name of happy prince, and indeed I was a happy prince also. Okay, so I lived and so I died. Means so I lived the same way. Means happily I lived and happily I died. Okay, and now that I am dead, they have set me up here so high that I can see the ugliness and all the misery of the city, and now my heart is made of lead, yet I can choose but weep. Means so that the happy prince said, when I alive I was too much happy, but after my death the people set me at the top of the column so that from there I can understand the other's feeling. Okay, my heart is made of lead, I can choose and weep, but I cannot help others myself. Okay, I can choose but weep. Okay, what is he not solid? Gold, said the swallow to himself. He was too polite to make any personal remark. Means the bird was thinking, he can see, he can understand, he can feel the other's desire. Means it is not made of gold, it is not made of stones. Okay, far away then the happy prince saw the swallow. Far away continued the statue in a low musical voice. Far away in a little street there is a poor house. Means happy there is a poor woman, okay, who one of the windows is open, and thou it I can see a woman is seated at the table, and from that window I can see a woman who was sitting on the bench, sorry, on her seat. Her face is thin and bald. The face of the woman is not looking good, okay, and she has coarse red hands all pricked by the needles. Her hands were red in color because there were so many pricks in hands, okay, for she is a seamstress, because she is a seamstress, she is stitching the clothes, okay. She is embroidering a flowers on a satin gown for the loveliest of the queen's maid of honor. Means she was making embroidery work for the queen's maid of honor, okay, queen's maid of honor. See, to wear at the next court ball, means the dress will be used for the next court ball. कोर्ट बॉल का मतलब कोर्ट डांस के लिए, ठीक है. In a bed in the corner of the room, her little boy is lying ill. Means I can see a little boy who was lying in the corner of that house, okay. He has a fever and is asking his mother to give him orange. Means he was suffering from fever and he was asking from her mother an orange, okay. His mother has nothing to give him but river's water, so he is crying. Means her mother has nothing to give her son, so that she was crying, she was weeping. How she will give her son to make stop crying, okay. His mother has nothing to give him but river only. There was the tears for her, okay. Swallow, little swallow, will you not bring her the ruby of my sword hills? So the prince said to the little bird, swallow, please, you can take the ruby from the sword's handle, okay. My feet are fastened to this pedestal and I cannot move because my feet are too much fastened on this pole, so that I am not able to move from here, okay. So thank you, have a nice day. Tomorrow we will read the next part, okay.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những video hấp dẫn.